RGTI stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Rigetti Computing stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of that down in this very brief and short 1-minute video. And as the only person in the stock trading space with an actual track record of 43,000 videos over 5 years, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Ultimately, it would all come down for this to be like a beautiful bullish market. But for me to buy, really just has to break with a full candle close about 1568. It's 1586, so we're far above our point, but that's pre-market, and it really depends whether we break gap up or we actually just go pull through. For me, pulling through is going to make the most sense. But what if it just gaps up? Well, for that point, I'm not just going to immediately long, right? But of course, for that, I'll keep you updated. No sweat. I do got about 53 results in the disk server about there, about RGTI. And yeah, I'll put like a waiting sign because people assume that I'm immediately going to buy today. No, I'm waiting for rules to be met, as always. If you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated.